Hey guys, John here with Vapor Holding Technologies.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is that recording already?
Yes.
Holy fuck.
Ready?
Alright, ready? Hey guys, there's Terrence. Terrence is not acting like
Oh, he's doing some video.
Yeah, we're doing a plant walkthrough.
Okay. Fantastic.
Hey guys, welcome to the crib. Brand new invention. Do it. Come on.
Billy Mays here with a brand new It's called the Coke Straw.
All right.
And he was coming over here like he was going to jump in the video.
I was going to come over here and be like, thanks guys. That was what I was going to do, but I didn't know how he was going to take that. I was like, oh fuck.
He can get away with it, but I couldn't.
Look at that big dragonfly up there. Oh, wow. Come on back. We'll take a look at the warehouse real quick and see a little bit of what goes on in the warehouse and then in the shipping area. We'll see if we can catch some people goofing off. So back here we have some people goofing off in the warehouse area.